Hey, it's Sierra from There to Here Travels, and today we are on our way to a Carnival cruise. Carnival, that's why I got my red, white, and blue earrings. Cruise out of Tampa, and there's so many options of where to stay, and trying to look for something a little more affordable, but with a nice room. We didn't want any like bad reviews kind of thing, or it's going to be loud, or and we weren't going to get any sleep, because what is the point of spending the night at a hotel the night before a cruise if you don't sleep there? So anyway, I decided to go with Hampton Inn in Brooksville. So for Friday night, $123 was our total, which is pretty good considering. I mean, a lot of the stuff that was in Tampa was going to be a lot more. We are an hour away from the port, but it's 9 o'clock. Our boarding time is 10, but we also paid for the valet parking at Tampa Port, so it was $100 for 5 nights, and it's super easy. Just pull up, drop off your car, and there off you go. That's usually not available until around 10 o'clock anyway, so we're not really in a rush to get there. So we are getting ready to head out now, so we've already spent the night, so it's not like in the most pristine condition, but I did want to give you a little tour of what it looks like in here. When I stay at a hotel, I try to avoid anything that has like the door to the outside corridor and like that motel vibe. I try and go for something that's going to be nice, with a nice indoor, quiet, peaceful, anyway. So this room does have a door to the hallway, but it also has a door to the parking lot. So convenient that we were able to pull up right to our car, but I was hesitant, like, oh my gosh, what did I pick? This is not what I thought it was going to be. It was fine. It was not noisy. I was not woken by noise at all. However, the lights from the parking lot, and that could happen at any hotel, it was bright in here. We don't sleep well with bright. Even with these curtains closed, there was a lot of light that came in from the underside, like enough so that it looked like it was still day outside. It's very bright lights out in the parking. So here is the room though. We've got a little table that pulls out, lamps, clock, you've got your TV, mirror over here at the desk area. This side has a mini fridge. You've got the microwave. Over here, you've got 3 drawers that pull out. Cute. Can't really leave anything behind in this one. Coffee maker, and these little 2 ottomans that pull out. A pretty comfy chair, along with another little table, another pull out. So this side has 1 outlet, while the other side has 2 outlets and a USB plus the lamp outlet. So there is options for plugging in your phone. Since that was my side of the bed, I just plugged my watch in over here. And you also have over here, I just plugged my phone in at the lamp. AC worked well. Like I said, no noise. It was just that light was a little distracting, but slept good. So coming from this way, you've got this giant mirror that is also a closet. And we've got the bathroom over here. So we've got more pullouts. Another one over there, sink, mirror, lotion. And then over here is shower head, turns, but only the one setting was kind of useful. Shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And the breakfast was actually pretty good. Unfortunately, there was not a waffle maker setup. Like, it was there, but there was no waffle batter, and so that whole area was not really useful. But they had these Western omelets and some kielbasa. So nice warm breakfast, and it tasted good. Tasted decent for a hotel breakfast. That's about it for the, where am I at? Hampton Inn in Brooksville. I would recommend it. And maybe, especially if light does not bother you. Thanks for watching There to Here Travels. If you liked this video, click like, subscribe, and thank you for joining us from there to here.